I think I've always been somebody who's been encouraged to dream big dreams. And when I first came to California, I find that I'm in a community of people who challenge me to dream even bigger. Kiva operates all around the world. There are lenders and entrepreneurs in almost every country on the planet. What's your dream for your business?
I believe we can have 10 in all of us.
All in California?
Of course.
Yeah. An organization like Habitat for Humanity, I mean, that gives anybody a very concrete way to literally build something that will change their lives. I hope every time you open your door, you're reminded of all the hard work that you put in to make this a reality for yourself and your family. Congratulations.
Thank you.
California is a big place. It's actually really easy to create home here. And it's a place where you get to see every day that anything is possible.